Hi, this is BJ from Ninesteps Industries, and I'll be introducing the Ninesteps Classic Airbrush. Now, the Ninesteps Classic Airbrush is a 0.3mm nozzle airbrush, which is great for general purpose. Features a large capacity paint cup. It's double action, which means with one control here, by pressing down we control the airflow, and by pulling back we control the paint flow. Also has a stopper here, which restricts the amount of movement of the trigger. So you can screw it down and you'll be restricted to fine work. The Ninesteps Classic Airbrush, available online and at retailers. Please check the website to find out where to get them.